Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today let's try to make a pair of ice-dyed shorts. I was online at Target about a month or so ago and I saw these white shorts and decided I would try them out. They had very limited sizing available, but I decided to go ahead and buy a couple pair and try them out. So I prepped the shorts by soaking them in soda ash the way I normally do a shirt, but when I took them out of the soda ash, you'll notice all of these yellow spots all over the fabric. And it was on a couple of the shirts that I was soaking at the same time too. I have a suspicion that it's probably something that came out of the elastic in the waistband. I think it'll probably wash out though, so I'm going to go ahead and dye them anyway. To dye the shorts, I'm placing them loosely down inside of a colander, and then I'm placing the colander over the top of a plastic container. I'm starting by adding quite a bit of ice to the top. I want to completely cover the top of these shorts with ice. I really like the color splits from some of the darker colors, and I think it's fun sometimes just to experiment with using a single color. So that's what I'm going to do for this pair of shorts. I'm going to use charcoal from Dharma Trading Company. I don't want to add too much of the dye over the top of the ice. I want it to kind of be a little bit spotty. I want to really see the dye splits in this dye. So after the ice melted, this is what the shorts look like. And then I let them go ahead and process for another 24 hours. Then to rinse them, I took them to my utility sink and rinsed them in cold water to rinse out the soda ash. There wasn't a whole lot of excess dye coming out of these shorts, so I rinsed them in hot water just a little while and then threw them in the washing machine along with a little bit of Dharma's textile detergent. And then after they were washed and dried, this is what they look like. So what do you guys think? I like them. I think they turned out looking really cute. All the yellow spots that were on the shorts after the soda ash soak went ahead and came off, so that probably was just something strange that came out of the waistband. And charcoal never disappoints with the color splits. It's amazing that all these colors came out of one color of dye. I went ahead and put the dye over the top of the ice too because I wanted the colors to split a lot and to have more of a watercolor feel, and I think they definitely do on this pair of shorts. I like the different shades of like mauve and khaki. There's even a little bit of an olive color in there and some gray. A couple little spots of yellow. And then I do have a couple little dark spots up near the waistband on the front. So if you're wondering about the shorts, I just went online at Target and they are out of stock. But they were a French terry short that was 95% cotton and 5% spandex. So overall, I really like the shorts, but drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed the video, I sure would appreciate it if you would like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.